Are you looking for ergonomic crochet hooks? I wanted to share those Yarniss crochet hooks here. You receive all 7 of them with different sizes, and look at their shape. They're very, very comfortable. Let me find the size I'm working with. I found out that because of that long neck of the crochet hook, I don't have to use my thumb. I use my thumb usually to support my stitches or to keep them up, but I don't have to use it anymore. Somehow it makes me crochet a little bit faster because I don't do that motion anymore. But they do glide through my yarn very, very smoothly, and they do not bother me here on the side like shorter hooks do, because this hook is a little bit longer. So I do grab them when I need to change from my regular metal hooks, and I enjoy working with them. And having a wide range of sizes, I can go with any project.